everyone. Oh my god, my face looks like a disco ball. It looks so shiny, but I've just done my skincare routine. Do not know why I look like this now though. That's kind of weird. So I've just got ready for bed, as you can see, but I just wanted to do a quick little intro to this video because from the beginning I was just gonna do a music favorites, but because YouTube is so strict with the copyright, the video got so short because I only could play like 5 seconds of each song. I filmed it in the beginning of this autumn and I just haven't had time to upload it, so this is like the first half of my year's favourite songs, or just like my favourite songs of the summer, combined with a winter try-on haul. And I got some really nice pieces, and I also have a coupon code in this video because this video is in collaboration with Junkyard. You will see, but yeah. So yeah, this video is a little bit all over the place, but I hope you will enjoy it anyway. Subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's get into the video. It's gonna be Hi everyone, so I'm just hopping in here with a little try-on haul from Junkyard. Also, I do have a coupon code obviously, which is on the screen right now, and in the description I've also linked all my products down below, so if you want to check anything out, definitely do, because there is Black Week or Black Friday sales going on right now, so I hope you will find something that you like. So the first top I have to show you is from the brand New Girl, which they sell on Junkyard. They sell loads of different brands like Adidas, Nike and everything. So it's just a wrap top that I tied here, and the sleeves look like this. They're like nice and balloony. I really like this. Yeah, I think this top would be really nice for Christmas, like going out with your friends, going out for dinner, or just anything like that, with a pair of black nice trousers. So I got this top in a size 8 and it fits me really nicely. Sorry if my hair's really gross, like I had a shower last night and washed my hair and everything, but it was like greasy when I woke up this morning. I think it was because I used a bath bomb and I like laid in the water, and the bath bomb made it really slimy, so it probably made my hair like greasy again. So that's great, but anyway, whatever, who cares. I really like this top. It's stripy and I love these colours together. I don't have anything with these colours. It's pink, turquoise and like beige or like a orangey colour. I think it's really cool, and I got this in a size extra small, and as you can see it's quite like oversized and nice. Yeah, I think this will be really nice to be chilling around this winter. I love comfy clothes and this is comfy, let me tell you. Also, I have no idea what it says on there. So yeah, I put my hair up. But next up, I got this top, which I absolutely am in love with. I think it is so comfortable and so cute. It's this Tommy Hilfiger or Tommy Jeans t-shirt in this like nice grey colour. They also have it in red. I got this top in an extra small and it's just not too cropped. It just fits really nicely. Again, just a really nice lounging around comfortable top. Super cute, love it. So next up I got this really lovely, so soft, is it leopard print or is it like cow print? I don't know if I'm blind or like stupid, but I feel like this is a cow. I don't know why I feel like it's a cow print, but this is so soft and really comfortable. This is from a brand called Urban Classics and I got it in extra small, and it just fits like quite nice and oversized but not too oversized. It's just a really cool top and I like that it's different. I think it would be cute with a pair of like black mum jeans or, you know, something like that. Right now I'm wearing it with a pair of joggers that I got from Junkyard, but they're from Nike. So these are in the size small. They're a little bit big in the waist, but no worries because they've got this drawstring so you can tie them like as tight as you want, and then they will fit. It fits nicely in the bum and in the legs. They're actually really nice and high-waisted, which is perfect. They're really comfy, just plain joggers, excuse my one sock, with the Nike logo on them there, and they're supposed to be a bit more cropped, but I'm only 5'2", so they just fit perfectly above my ankle. Really cute, and they've got pockets, which is perfect. So next up guys, this is probably one of my favourite things in the whole haul. I love this, but I got, oh shit, I'm just gonna take them out. Okay, I got these Fila shoes and I'm so excited for these. I really like them. I love white sneakers and I didn't want to get the plain white feelers because like everyone's got them, and honestly I think these look nicer. So they've got dark blue and red stripes and just the feeler logo there, and they're stringed like that, and they just look really comfortable. They're actually really light, so I don't know if that means they'll be extra comfortable or something, but I'm gonna be wearing these probably like every day this winter until we get snow and stuff. So okay guys, this next thing has already became my winter 2019 essential, like one of my essentials. I know I'm going to be wearing this jacket every single day of this winter because it is so like warm. First of all, comfort is key. It is so comfortable and warm, and you can pull it all the way up here. It is really stylish. Like last year I had a red puffer jacket, and yes, I love red puffer jackets, but it doesn't go with everything. Like I have a burgundy bag, so that clashes. So this winter I really wanted to get a black puffer jacket because I just love puffer jackets, and they're in this year as well. So yeah, I just think they're so stylish, cute, and also really comfortable and warm. So if you're from a European country like I am, then thank yourself if you get this. Like, I love it. It's from the brand Vans, and yeah, it's got this circle zipper. You can pull it all the way up, so it's like a scarf and a jacket in one. It's cropped, which I love about it. Look, I love that it's cropped there. And it's got two pockets here with buttons, which is perfect. So if you're scared to lose something, don't worry, you won't. I don't know, I've just been wearing this every day since I got it. I think the look that I'm wearing right now is really cool. Ignore my studio lights in the back. So it's just this lovely puffer jacket with these Nike track pants and my feeler shoes. I just love this look. I don't care if you're not supposed to mix brands, but we stan. This is such a comfy outfit, and I'm gonna wear it a lot this winter just for doing like chill errands and stuff. Also my washing in the background is embarrassing, so let's move on to the next thing. So last but not least, I got some zebra print trousers, which I think are really cool. And I know animal print is like, it's had its thing, but I still really love these trousers. Like, I am obsessed. Apart from I got them in small, and I thought that would fit because I didn't get extra small, but I'm actually thinking of sending them back and getting an extra small. So if I do get an extra small, that's the pair that I'll show you, but if not, then I'll just show you how small looks. Like, I could fix it with a belt or something probably, but this is how they look, and they're from Junkyard's own brand. So yeah, this is So I hope you enjoyed this little collaboration with Junkyard. Everything will be linked below. Don't forget to use my coupon code. It's also listed in the description bar, so you can just copy and paste it. And don't forget to head over to Junkyard, check out their Black Friday sales. Don't even know what this video is. Bye. I've been holding back tears while you throw my back beers on. So tell me to leave, I'll pack my bags, get on the road. Find someone that loves you better than I do, darling, I know. And she said, damn, more than she better and around me with. Stepped in looking like a snack. Man, damn ready to attack. Stepped in looking like a snack. Big boy, can you handle that? Bad news, one of us is gonna lose. Oh, Jaja, y'a pas moyen, Jaja. Regarde, Jaja, genre, on katana, baby, tu l'as fait. Why men great till they gotta be great? Test turns out I'm 100% that bitch, even when I'm crying crazy in me. You could've had a bad bitch, not committal. You got issues that I won't mention for now.
on. Paris Fashion Week, I'm watching Louis Vuitton, so I favourite ego. I only trust girls on days that don't end with a what. I've been on a roll where you've been, real protective with my soul where you've been. What's so fucking lost, need a 2020. That's a low blow, you know. I hate when you're not around. I thought that you would surprise me. Get on a plane and come find me. Funny cause we only move forwards. And you say ignore us. Live doors. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And bring girls to a location. No time, no. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, G slow but the week fast. J't'encule sur le continent d'Adès. Ça comme ta neige, neige courte, ressemble à ma tombe. Pourquoi toi tu parles en ego? Okay, man, I just made your girl, scared you ripped. Said you made my.
Okay, it's very late. It's 11:30 at night right now, so I think I'm done filming for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, even if it was like kind of a weird combo, like a music favorites combined with a try on haul. But yeah, if you did find anything that you really liked in this video, don't forget to use my coupon code Rebecca15 for 15% off all orders over 500 Swedish krona, which is this in euros. I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. Here are the shout outs for today. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. Why do I look this greasy? I just put like moisturizer on, so it could be that. But tomorrow's Black Friday and I'm just waiting until 7 minutes until it's 12 AM so I can start ordering some Christmas presents and stuff. But yeah, I love you all, and don't forget to follow my socials if you haven't already. Send me video requests, I would love them. And yes, I'm doing Vlogmas. A lot of people have been asking me that. I'm so excited, but I'll probably do like I did last year where I put a week's worth of vlogs. So I'll vlog every day for a week and just upload it in the end of the week or something. I hope that sounds good for you guys, but I will be working and studying, so I won't be able to get daily vlogs up, I don't think. So I think this is just going to be easier for me and probably more interesting for you as well. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.